power. Let's turn it on. Okay. TF file card system format does not meet the requirements. Do you want to format? Confirm. Actually didn't confirm it, but it just went away. So I'll try to capture. Okay, confirmation. It's not touchscreen, okay? So yeah, it's not touchscreen. Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Simon, and welcome to my channel. For this video, we will be unboxing an action camera. So I have here SJ4000 Air, and this is with Wi-Fi. But before that, if you're new to my channel, I am Simon and I do bike vlogs, I do unboxing videos, I do travel vlogs if time permits, and also health tips. And also, please don't forget to click on subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you won't miss a future upload if ever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's check it out. So now we are all set, and we have here the box of our SJ4000 Air. I have here an extra phone because we will scan an application later, and of course my cutter. So if you can see, the box is still sealed and it's still with plastic. On the left, top left most portion of the box, it has here Sjcam, Empower Your Dreams. On the right part, it has Wi-Fi. At the bottom of the box, it says SJ4000 Air Action Camera, 4K, 3000 frames per second, Wi-Fi, 30-meter water resistant. So it means that this is water resistant. Simple design, lightweight, HD recording, restore every detail. Accessories are complete to adapt to a variety of occasions. Maximum support, 64 gig of memory card. On the side, it has a sticker that says scratch and check. It has a QR code both for iOS and Android so that you'll be able to download the application. At the back, it has the specifications. So it has a 2.0 display. Lens is 170 degrees. The image, it can capture 16 MP, 12 MP, 8 MP, 5 MP, and 2 MP. For video, it can capture 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, and 720p. For the format, it's MOV. Storage, micro SD, connections, USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi. And for the operating system, it can run on Windows XP, Service Pack 2 or later. And for Apple, it can run on Mac OS X 10, 4.11 or its latest version. It also has a barcode at the bottom, and it says made in China. So what can we do about it? Nothing. Okay, so what's included in the box? It includes the action camera. It has a case and some adapters, and you will see it later. Okay, so let's open the box now. Okay, let's do some. Okay, I'm getting the plastic to reveal our camera. Next, let's take it out. Okay, I believe you can just press it. There you go. Next, okay, it's really simple. Okay, so it has a different box for the accessories. And this is our action camera. Okay. So I'll just set this aside first. And let's focus our attention to the accessories. First and foremost, it has all of these adapters, clamps, and a USB cord. And also it comes with a manual. And an Sjcam sticker. Let's check the manual. The manual is in, let's see, it's actually in English. And it also has a German version. It has a, I'm not sure what flag is this. Is this French? It also has Chinese. And that's it. Oh, it also has the UK version. But anyway, as long as it contains an English version, we're good to go. And let's explore this further. So I've already read through the manual, and I checked on the different procedures, the different parts of the camera, and the accessories are actually unlabeled. So I really don't know the names of this one, but basically these are clamps, and you can actually play with it so that you'll be able to mount it wherever you want to mount it. So you can mount it in your bike, in the helmet of your in your helmet. You can actually use this as a dash camera. You can connect it to your car, and it will automatically turn on once you start your car. Anyway, let's open this one and all the accessories. So this is the USB cord, and it's not Type-C. It's just the regular micro USB. All the clamps in here, and all the adapters. Basically, you can actually play with it so that you'll be able to get your desired mount. There. So what I got was just the basic package. So I expect that what I got are also the basic accessories. So here's the mount, and it actually comes with a, like this one. I don't know what you call this. You can just snap on it like this one. There. And you put your camera here. Also, for this one, this would go here like that, and as what I've said, you can actually play with it. Anyway, let's just set this aside and focus our attention to our action camera. So our action camera is enclosed in a waterproof case. So this is waterproof, and based on the box, it can actually withstand 30 meters of depth. So, but I won't try this one because I'm not into diving, also swimming. I don't know how to swim. So, I actually bought this for biking. So to document my bike trails, bike vlogs. Okay. Anyway, let's open the case first. And let's see. Here's the open here. Can't get it. And here is the actual camera. So it says here 4K Wi-Fi Sjcam. So this is the lens. This is the power button. On top you have here the OK button or the shutter. You have here the light indicator. And on the sides you can actually see the volume up, volume down button. It also has a speaker. There, speakers in here. Here's the display. This is 2-inch. And on this side, there, you have here the micro USB for charging. You have here the HD port and the SD card slot. You also have here the mic. The mic is very tiny. I'm not sure if you can see it. But the thing is, I actually ordered just the camera without the SD camera, SD or micro SD. So I have to purchase one in order for me to record videos. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's turn on the power button. Okay, there's another indicator light here, and the SD camera welcome screen. Oh, it's low battery. Okay, so I believe. Oh, before I forget, this is the battery slot. The battery is actually removable. So there's a button here, and you can actually remove this one. So this is the battery. The battery is 3.7 volts lithium ion battery, 900 mAh, 3.33 watts. Okay, so you just return it there and return it there. You can actually purchase a package. So if you purchase a set, the whole set, it could you could actually get an extra battery, an SD card, and other mounts. I have here my power bank, and let's make use of this charger, USB charger. So again, this is the charger port, micro USB. Okay, it's charging. It has the red indicator light. Again, the welcome screen. Okay, so there you go, it's working. The camera is working. It says here 4K 30 frames per second. TF, this is for the memory card, the Wi-Fi button, and you have here the battery indicator. So basically you can see it's charging. Here's the microphone, and let's try to, oh, what happened? Okay, there. Let's try to, okay, so no detected TF card. Please insert TF card. Well, you cannot take pictures or record videos without the SD card. So I have to purchase one and or look for an SD card and check it out. Okay, let me just grab an SD card and be back here. So I already found an SD card. It's just 16 GB. So let's try to install this one. Let's remove this first. How to install this? Let's see. Maybe this one. Let's try it. Okay. Let's return the power. Let's turn it on. Okay. TF file card system format does not meet the requirements. Do you want to format? Confirm. Actually didn't confirm it, but it just went away. So I'll try to capture. Okay, confirmation. This is not. It's not touchscreen. Okay, so yeah, it's not touchscreen. Confirm. Okay. There, it's recording now. See? It's recording. Next. This is the Wi-Fi button. Press up to exit Wi-Fi. Okay. Now before that, let me just download the application. Let's turn this off first. Then at the back of the manual, it has the QR code. So let's try to scan the QR code and download it. So you have here my QR scanner. There. Android sjcam.com. Install. Please sign in to continue. Let's try it again. Maybe this open. Open in Play Store app. Allow. Okay, so it opened the Google app now. Hit on install. It's downloading now. Just click on continue. Skip on it. Downloading now. Okay, installing. Okay, installation complete. Open. Sjcam, empower your dreams. Okay, connect to the camera. Okay, Android requires your permission to find your camera nearby. Okay, so click on confirm. And I believe we have to allow Sjcam to use the location. Just click on allow. Turn on, confirm. And we're gonna turn this on. And we have to locate. Okay, we have to press on the Wi-Fi button here. And let's refresh. The Wi-Fi SSID is SJ4000 and it has a Wi-Fi password. So here you go. Just click on it and then encode the password. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Very hard password. This is really complex, so that not everyone can connect on it. Okay, it's connecting now, and we are connected. There's a check mark. Let's go back to our here to our application. Connect to the camera. Connecting.